It appears some timelines feature a very different version of me.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Wakanda has come a long way since I fought alongside your father.
If only he was still here to see it.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
If we save all timelines, perhaps I can finally return to my own.
The enemy approaches!
What a difference.
The mission area is yours to capture now.
Fast!
Capture the mission area!
Reborn once more. You're mine!
Or a dagger.
Farewell.
You're welcome.
That's better.
You're mine. I'm
Healing magic. Lovely.
They've spotted us.
Farewell. Out of sight.
Armed and dangerous!
Help him from the shadow.
My time to shine.
And down!
All wrapped up.
Their team's capture progress has passed the halfway point.
The spider controlling my suit is small, but fierce. Just like me.
Veto will be waiting.
Someone
Let's do
scratch
some
my back.
damage. Mine's in place.
Hurricane!
Destroy this coming.
You're welcome.
I'm counting on you, friends.
Stay
Mine's in place.
Behold the God of gods!
This is real firepower!
This is gonna hurt.
You better get a look behind. I'll catch you up.
Nada.
You'll have to
That
keep
doesn't
fighting
count.
until we have a winner.
I will always let that.
The web of life and destiny is fragile. Someone has to protect it.
Seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Cataclysm makes for strange allies, doesn't it?
It has a way of stripping away our assumptions, yes?
That's not what I mean.
Oh, I think it is.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
Oh, well, this is an empire I can respect.
Powering up.
Nice twisted arms.
You're up, little one. Time for some fireworks. It's party time!
Clearly, your goddess smiles upon you, Storm.
This
Just
area
check that
is
out.
yours.
I hope I'm not cursed now. Full arsenal primed.
It belongs to the
Mine's in
goddess now.
place.
Your attacks are futile.
Relay deployed. It ain't cheap.
Hurricane!
Guys are about to shoot at us.
Time for some fireworks.
I can heal you.
Behold the god of thunder!
I know that sound.
I'm just dying. Hey, team!
Double damage. Mine's in place. You've got my back. I've got yours.
What a curious place.
You've captured more than half of the mission area.
I'm
Keep
counting
going.
on you, friends. This is gonna hurt.
Watch me soar! Us against the world!
Mine's in place. Whoever they are, let's do some damage.
The area's almost yours!
Some sort of
This is gonna hurt.
Control lost!
Ready for another go, Spider?
Down! That fucking hurt!
Let's do some damage.
Hurricane!
Mine's in place.
Assemble!
You know what to do, Spiders?
Control C!
Judge, jury, executioner! Behold the god!
should be sufficient.
This is real firepower!
Don't count us out yet.
Watch me soar!
Maximum pulse!
It's Spider! Spider is more than just a mechanized suit of armor. It's my best friend.
You shall not be harmed.
Shields up!
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
That's some nice armor you got there, sweetheart. How much you want for it?
No, Rocket. You know Spider isn't for sale.
How about just one arm? No? Ah, come on! You're killing me, kid.
Not yet, but I'd be careful if I were you.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
I cannot let Doom do any more damage to the web of life and destiny. Let's do some damage. You know what to do, Spiders? Mine's in place. I needed that.
The mission area is yours. Faster now. The mission area is yours.
Time for some fireworks.
Lend a hand.
You're up, little one.
I'll patch you up.
Let's
The
do
beacon is
some
no
damage.
longer broadcasting. Hurricane incoming!
You're welcome.
You know what to do, spiders? This is gonna hurt.
Maximum pulse!
Better get a look behind you.
We better test this out.
This is real!
Just needed a few repairs.
End it quick.
Full arsenal
The enemy
primed.
has arrived.
Your team's capture progress is past the halfway.
You're welcome.
Watch me soar!
It's spider time!
This other
This is gonna hurt. I'm counting on you, friends. We did it, spider! Let's do some damage.
You owe me one. You've captured more
Time
than
for
half of the
some
mission area.
fireworks.
Keep going.
I am vulnerable. I will always lend a hand.
Here they come now.
Behold the god of thunder! Maximum pulse!
This is real firepower!
Judge!
The area's
Just
almost
needed a few
yours.
repairs.
Control lost. They almost got the world.
Don't mind me.
You're up, little one. This is gonna hurt.
Please, we're hurt.
This is restoring.
Hey, Petey, enjoy the amplifier!
Let's keep fighting until we have a winner. Feeling good.
I'm ready.
We better test this.
Ready for another ghost fighter?
For mutant kind!
Control seized.
Mine's in place. I'm counting on you, friends.
Mine.